Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this Hummingbird feeder with camera. Here is the camera, 4K camera, so super good quality. It's got AI bird recognition. It's amp proof, so you can fill this up with water and it ensures no bugs really get in there and get to that sugar water. And the birds sit on there and they slurp out these flowers. You've also got purple. You've got all the mounting accessories needed to mount that solar panel, antenna, of course, for a good Wi-Fi connection. You can also mount the solar panel using this kind of flexible metal thing, so you can like wrap it around something. This camera module is removable, and you can see up here, you've got a USB-C charging port, you've got the power button, and you got a slot for that micro SD card. On the back, you got a USB-C slot, and that is for using the solar panels. It's got a light right here, so it's like a flashlight, light up the birds if you like. It's also got a microphone so you can hear everything, got motion detection up there, indicator light, and there's that camera. And this is what you fill up with water. So you pour the water in there. So overall, this is very easy to use and very intuitive. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like outside. Here is a look at the app. You've got a very nice clear view of the feeder. I can go ahead and turn on that white light as mentioned earlier. It's also got an alarm that I can play. And that will basically scare off any intruders, so you can kind of use this like a security camera. You can record a video using that little button right there. You can also take a picture. But of course, every time a motion goes off and a bird shows up, like right now, it'll go ahead and just save a clip for you. Here I have hung it up. I actually added a little bit longer of a hook so that I can hang a little bit lower over to this drainage pipe. And then I just wrapped that thing around to hold that solar panel in place, so you don't even need to drill any holes or anything. I just highly recommend this Hummingbird feeder. Thanks for watching.